maganda at makabatang umaga po sa ating lahat. Welcome to the Kalinga Kolektib, a policy forum on child protection and participation. We gather here together today, all 70 plus of us, as policymakers, implementers, advocates, and allies. We are bound by a deep sense of hope for our children.
Standing before you today is a privilege and a reminder. It is a privilege to be among such dedicated advocates for child rights and a reminder that at the Commission on Human Rights we are fortunate to have partners and allies committed to one of our most important missions, to respect, protect, and fulfill the rights of every Filipino child.
I had the pleasure of talking with a woman here who remembers Bunso, the program we worked on children in conflict with the law years ago. And we have done a lot of work in that area. But I think right now with our research and advocacy, what we're trying to do is, one, make it evidence-based. We also want to look at how we're moving to shift social norms.
The Consuelo Foundation has actually played a very crucial role in helping shape the juvenile justice system in the Philippines. This morning, I heard Greg ask, do you remember the film Bunso? This documentary played a pivotal role in the enactment of the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act, or RA 9344, which was the reason why we were established. What they did, the child rights advocate did, of course, kasama yung Consuelo doon, they went to the Senate and they asked the Senate to show it. Binatay nila lahat ng ilaw. They showed the film, and right then and there, the senators approved RA 9344. That's how powerful it was.
And as far as the partnership with Consuelo Foundation is concerned, the Philippine Judicial Academy has started as early as 2014. So for instance, when they crafted rules on the examination of a child witness, the rule passes on to us so that we can administer the proper trainings to our court personnel and judges, so that they in turn can give hope to the children, to families, in a more responsible and in a more capacitated manner.
We support policy change with this work through many of you, and we're really looking to do child-friendly systems that empower young people to create safer communities.
Consuelo also helped us with the printing of the Compendium of Laws and Assurances on Children. We had an engagement with the Vice Mayor's League of the Philippines, and they see it as a really helpful materials, because it contains all the laws on children that as reference for them to develop their code based on the situation of children in their localities. We really need to harmonize and align our efforts so that we can strategically address the different concerns on children. As we say, it takes a village to raise a child.
May our shared vision inform our next steps toward the future we want for all Filipino children. Close your eyes and imagine a future where children's voices are heard, their well-being prioritized, and their potential fully realized.
I hope that this partnership, together with all the stakeholders here present, when we continue this partnership and we continue our mission and vision in our respective agencies, that we need not close our eyes to see that vision, so that even with our eyes open, we will see that our children's rights are protected and recognized.
The past 1.5 days have been a testament to the breadth of what we can dream about and achieve when we come together under a shared purpose. In every conversation, every shared insight, and every plan set forth, we have built a solid foundation to augment existing child protection and participation efforts in the country.
A great number of Filipino children remain in pressing need of healing, of protection, or even just the spaces to engage. So every idea, every commitment, and every opportunity for collaboration counts. Together, we can make this forum the start of an inspiring journey for the Filipinos of the future.